Hello world, what's up guys? Welcome back to today's video and welcome to day 2 in Tretinoin week, in Retin-A week, Retinol week, Vitamin A week, where literally all week long we're talking about my favorite skincare ingredient, retinol, Retin-A, retinoic acid. It comes in a million different forms, and if you didn't check out yesterday's video, I helped you guys decide between if a retinol or a Retin-A is right for you. So make sure to check out that video before you continue with today's video, because today we're talking all about retinol and the reasons why you might want to use a retinol product. Whether you're someone who's on a budget, who doesn't have access to a doctor to get a tretinoin prescription, or someone who just has really sensitive skin and wants to start slow, retinols are packed with emollients. That just means moisturizers, so you are getting those Retin-A benefits. However, retinol is not regulated, so any product can claim anything on the box, so you do have to be a little bit careful when you're using retinols. But today we are at oh, rude. I had a big dramatic reveal because right there, Walmart is behind me. Today I'm going to take you guys shopping with me for Drugstore Retinol Products. We're going to check out all the different brands, see what retinol products they offer, products that you can go out and get today. You guys know the benefits of including a retinol in your skincare routine are literally life-changing, anti-aging, age-reversing, literally age-reversing. Retinol can help you reduce brown spots, reduce that dark pigmentation, as well as increase collagen production, making your skin thicker, firmer, tauter. Vitamin A derivatives are literally game-changing skincare ingredients. If you're excited for the entire Retin-A Retinol week, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit subscribe right down below, and make sure to hit that bell notification because you don't want to miss a single video, especially this week. Literally, this week is going to transform your skin. All right, guys, let's head inside of the drugstore, Walmart, to see what retinol products we can find. Ooh, I think that the sun is coming out as well. Today, guys, literally, is anyone else's mood as affected by the weather as I am? You know, when it's kind of cloudy and rainy, I'm just like so bah humbug, but when the sun comes out, my mood just increases. Okay, so I just need to make a quick pit stop at the electric toothbrushes. Have any of you guys tried a water pick before, or an air flosser by Sonicare? I'm dying to try one, and I just don't know if they work better than traditional flossing, which I love, but let me know if you guys have tried one in the comments. Look, here's my toothbrush, $234. Oh my god, that's so much money. But I am obsessed with the Philips Sonicare. It makes your teeth so clean. All right, here we go. Okay, guys, where do we even begin? Retinol products, retinol products. I guess let's just start right up here. Neutrogena. Okay. You guys, I found our first product. This is Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair with Accelerated Retinol SA. The SA stands for Sustained Action, and this is supposed to be their fast-acting retinol formula. $29.97. You know what? That's pretty pricey for the drugstore. But let's see here. Fade the look of crow's feet and forehead and cheek wrinkles. Improve the appearance of under-eye wrinkles. I'm curious. Smooth fine lines and brighten skin tone. This is a blend of retinol SA, glucose complex, and hyaluronic acid. So you are going to get those moisturizing benefits in there as opposed to like a traditional tretinoin cream. In an oil? I've never seen a retinol mix with an oil before. Now, I do like to put oils on as a last layer in my skincare routine. This is really interesting. So this is the same benefits as a moisturizer? Curious. Now, this is the face wash in the Rapid Wrinkle Repair, and as you can see, this says gently exfoliates and cleanses to prepare skin for retinol. Now, I don't believe that this contains retinol itself, but it's just going to prepare your skin. So, alright, let's see, what else is here? L'Oreal. Are there anything? Ooh, look at all the clay masks. You guys know, I love these. I've tried almost all of them. Anything with retinol? Anything? All these packages are so shiny. Age perfect. I'm really just looking for things that look like they're for a more mature audience, often those are the products that have retinol in them. Anything here? Revitalift. No, that's vitamin E. Look, the Revitalift. Now, this is not a retinol, but this is a glycolic cleanser. Glycolic cleansers work great when you're using a retinol because your skin is going to be dry, and glycolic cleansers can often help slough away that built up skin, giving you a more bright complexion. $10. I'm interested to try that. Oh, this is another cream that I love. This is the Cica cream. This is great for reducing redness. $25. Love it. Little Chinese New Year pig. Look, I found another one. This is L'Oreal Paris new Wrinkle Expert 45 Plus. Now they are saying this is so much cheaper. $16.47. This contains a retinopeptide. That's curious. This is a retinol mixed, a stable retinol mixed with peptides to nourish the skin and also hydrate the skin. Formulated for ages 45 plus, retinopeptide, moisture binding, and wrinkle fighting. Loss of wrinkles, loss of firmness. This is curious. I mean, it's literally half the price of the other one. Marcel, these are night creams. Is there anything with retinol though? Let's check out all of these Olay products. I'm still curious to try those whipped creams. Oh, I also tried that face mist before. I loved it, but the fragrance was really powerful. Okay, Olay, do you contain any retinol products? I don't see anything. Anything down here? Olay. Get your skin age in a snap. Is there any retinol products? Still not seeing anything. Curious. Alright, I see Nivea Q10. It's on rollback, so it's super cheap, but Garnier, you guys know I love Garnier products, but I don't think that they have any products with retinol in them. Let's see here. I don't see anything. No. Moisture Bomb face masks. Love those. St. Ives. No, definitely not. Oh my god. Every time I see these Clean and Clear packages, I'm just drawn to them. I love the color yellow. You guys, I cannot believe that out of all of these products, I can't find anything with retinol. We literally found, what, 3 products altogether? Where are all the retinol products, Walmart? What is going on here? Is this a retinol conspiracy? I need to know. Okay, what is going on, Walmart? Walmart is totally not on their retinol game. I'm shook. One product? Literally, that is disgraceful. Walmart, what's going on? Where is your retinol selection? Luckily, you guys, today's video is not over. We are going to forge on because I need to find more retinol products. I won't stop until we've found them all, just like Pokemon. There's actually a TJ Maxx, which is called Winners here in Canada, just in the other parking lot, all in this big complex, and I know that they have retinol products for sure. I see them there all the time. Let's head over there and see what kind of anti-aging magic we can find at Winners. Ooh, I'm automatically drawn to the fragrance every time I come into Winners almost right away. I love a good fragrance deal. What is in here? Hugo Boss Classic. Okay, so let's start looking for the retinol products. What is this? An eye cream? Do you contain retinol? No. Ooh, look, there's the L'Oreal Revitalift. We just saw that at Walmart. Actually, the shelves are looking bare. Ding, ding, ding. You guys, we found our first product. Gold and Retinol Anti-Aging Facial Serum. Age-defying, wrinkle-reducing. Now, gold can be a skin irritant, so I don't know if I necessarily recommend mixing gold with your retinol. That to me sounds like a little bit of a disaster, but you know, to each their own. $6.99. It's not like you're going to break the bank if anything goes too wrong. Ooh, a nice facial mist. What else do we have here? Retinol, no. Okay, what is this? Too cute. Aloe jelly pack? No, Trevor. You need to focus. Pay attention. But I just love to touch everything. Why am I cursed by touching everything? This is pretty. I love that color. Okay. Retinol Products Strivectin. Now, okay, what is this? Pure form? Okay, no, focus. Strivectin AR Advanced Retinol Night Treatment. There's always Strivectin products here at Winners. Honestly, I feel like they just create a line specifically for Winners or TJ Maxx. If you know anything about that, please let me know in the comments down below. Let's see. Hydrates and deeply nourishes the skin, even skin tone, reduces the look of wrinkles. $25, similar to those ones at Walmart. But I don't know. NIA 114, curious. What is this back here? $16.99. Lifts and firms, reduces signs of aging. Curious. 6 times super retinol serum. This says you can add this serum to your current skincare routine to achieve optimal anti-aging effectiveness. Also very important to just use retinol in your nighttime skincare routine because your skin's going to be a lot more sensitive. Okay, we found another product. Dead Sea Minerals Retinol Intensely Moisturizes Moisturizing Cream. Moisturizing day cream with Dead Sea Minerals. I don't know how I feel about this one. Oh, it is cruelty-free though. Look, it has the little bunny logo. Look, you guys, it's the package that I think looks just like a drunk elephant. What is this? What is this? Retinol anti-aging body lotion with vitamins A and E. $6.99. Okay, why have I never thought of using a retinol body lotion? No. Do I get this? Do I need to get this? I feel like this could totally rejuvenate your entire body. Rich and hydrating mango butter softens and absorbs quickly. Vitamin enriched. Okay, I also really love the package. What is this? The accompanying face wash anti-aging cleanser, encapsulated retinol, and vitamin E microbeads. Curious. I didn't know that you could have retinol in a face wash. But I'm just so drawn to this body lotion. I don't know, guys. Do I get it? Okay. I don't even know. What is down here? Literally so easily distracted. Oh my gosh. Gold. 2015 Trevor would have been all about this. Paint me golden statue. Well, guys, I hope that you enjoyed coming shopping with me today for retinol skincare products. I'm disappointed that I didn't have more products to share. There was 3 retinol products at Walmart and maybe 3 or 4 here at Winners. Retinol is such an amazing skincare ingredient to include into your skincare routine. I literally cannot recommend it enough. Including it in your skincare routine will literally snatchify your skin like no other ingredient. If you guys have any favorite retinol products that I need to try from the drugstore, let me know in the comments down below. If you loved coming shopping with me, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss a single video, especially this week where we're talking all about Retin-A. Make sure you check out yesterday's video and hit that bell notification so you don't miss the rest of the week. If you made it to the end of this video, I'd love and appreciate you so much. Thanks for sticking around until the very end. And until the next video, I can't wait to see you then. Bye.